Hello, fifth grade trumpet players. I miss you. I miss our lessons. So I decided to make a video to help you be playing your trumpet. I'm going to go on page 20 and play Sawmill Creek. And a couple of things to remember. First of all, that our measures go 3, 4, 5, 6, repeat 3, 4, 5, and jump to 7. And then also, if you look at measure 15, you have a E, D, C, B natural. So on the low one, it's a B natural. In the key signature, it's B flat, but the only other B's you have that are flat are the one on the third line, Every Good Boy, and that's this. But then in that measure 15, you're going to do B natural instead. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. Now the piano plays, bum, 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 here we go. All right, there you go. So I hope you keep playing your instrument, and I'll be making another one soon. Miss you. Bye.